up, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Tyler, Tarver Academy, the YouTube channel you're on right now. Thanks for joining us. You ready to learn? Okay, let's get started. Okay. So we're looking at number 2. It says when x equals 3 and y equals 5, by how much does the value of 3x squared minus 2y exceed the value of 2x squared minus 3y? Wow, that is a doozy. Okay, so let's circle our important information. When x equals 3 and y equals 5, by how much does the value of blank, this, exceed the value of this? Now, the first thing I'm going to notice when I'm working this problem is whenever I go in, I know I'm going to plug in my 3 for x and my 5 for y. So essentially I'm going to solve this problem with that information and this problem with that information. Now, do not forget, after we get done with those two solvings, we need to find out by how much does that value exceed the other value. So this is not going to be an answer, and this is not going to be a final answer. We're going to have to find out how much more this one is than this one. Okay, so keep that in mind before you start, and try not to forget it by the time the problem's over. So let's get started. So we know that x equals 3 and y equals 5. So x equals 3, y equals 5. So I'm just going to solve these two problems by substitution, which means I'm going to plug that 3 in for x, and I'm going to plug that 5 in for y. I'm just going to replace them. So this right here, that's squared. It looks weird because apparently they couldn't do superscript and make it the little one that's up top. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. 3. Now, what's in the place of x? 3 squared. Okay, so I don't know why I drew a little 3. Sorry, that was weird. So we'll do 3 times 3 squared. Is that better? Minus, okay, and I'm literally just working my way down the characters on the problem, okay? So 2 minus 2, and then y equals 5, so 2 times 5. Now I'm just going to solve this problem, okay? So 3 squared is 9, minus 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 9 is 27, minus 10, this one is 17. That is the answer to this problem, okay? We're not done. Same thing over here. Okay, I'm going to draw a line so we don't get mixed up. 2, I'm just working my way down this. 2, making my way down the problem. 2, and then x equals 3 still. So 3 squared minus sign 3 times y, which is 5. So now I'm just going to solve this problem. So I've got 2, and then 3 squared is 9, minus 3 times 5, which is 15. 2 times 9 is 18. Minus 15, and 18 minus 15 is 3. So we know what this one is as well. Now, we are going to go look at our equation, our original equation. Whenever x equals 3 and y equals 5, by how much does the value of this one exceed the other one? Exceed means more than. How much more than this one is this one? Which, to find out how much more it is, you just subtract. 17 minus 3 is 14. 14. Oh, is my screen frozen? What's happening here? We know it's 14, okay? I can't see my screen. There it is. Boom. 14. That is my answer, okay? Always reread the problem if you need to, but we did it. Look at us. Who would have thought? Not me. If you want to subscribe, that's cool. If not, hey, just keep living your life. Thank you guys for tuning in. Y'all stay sweet. Thanks for coming to Tarver Academy. Peace.